3 bearings on this side and 1 on the other. Got this one. Gets through the sprocket. And then we've got one here. That hooks on this little lip. Sits against that bearing. Sits against this bearing. You see how much you can move out of alignment. Then the sprocket. The studs are just to get it all together so I can put the bolts in. And now the second, this bearing is going to align the sprocket along with the bolts. Boom. You can see the sleeve inside a little off, but that'll go when the bolt goes through. It's got a crush sleeve in the middle. So that's it. Boom, 3 bearings, 4 bearing rear axle, 12mm.